Can XRP still make you a millionaire? I would argue right now that we're going through some of the biggest growth we have seen in terms of Ripple and XRP, and some of the best times are ahead. So I want to talk about some realistic expectations for this market cycle. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys haven't already, if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell. Again, it's free to do. We'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So there was actually an expert saying that you should not sleep on XRP as millions can be made with this next parabolic explosion. And this is from Bitlord. And what he was saying is that people should get ready in the next 24 hours. XRP is getting ready for this explosive parabolic move, right? Expecting parabolic explosion vertically within 24 hours. And I'm not sure when he posted this, but we have seen XRP not do that yet. And there's obviously some reasons why. You know, we're waiting for obviously the overall market to take some big steps. We made a step in the right direction over the last 24 hours. BTC closing its weekly candle above the 20-week moving average. We're kind of prepping for what may be this next breakout move. And we're obviously waiting for this box here, this October 1st through October 15th, the time where historically the market takes off. Now, what I will say is there's obviously some great opportunities to accumulate flashing on the charts. If you guys want to check out my indicator, you guys can check out that link in the description below. There's a 7-day free trial. It costs less than $1 a day anyways, but some of these have been great opportunities to accumulate. So what I want to talk about is, you know, these millions. What do you need in order to make millions in terms of XRP? You know, when we're looking at XRP price currently, okay, we see that price is at 58 cents right now. $1,000 would get you about 1,800 shares. And my expectations for this market cycle haven't really changed that much in terms of XRP overall. We currently sit at about a $33 billion market cap. And my projections for this market cycle have been around a $300 billion market cap, which means that we would do about a 10x from here currently. Now, this is where things get a little interesting. So first of all, guys, a 10x from here in terms of price, that would put you at about $5.80. So $1,000 would turn that into $10,440. So obviously quite a bit of ways away from $1 million. Now, what I will say is this number may change. And the reason why is when we look at all these different partnerships that have been put into place, they haven't really affected price yet. Okay. And where things get interesting is there's not a lot of US partnerships that have been put into place because of this onslaught by the SEC, this unwavering push to basically bring down Ripple and XRP and things like that. And come October 7th, if there is no appeal, the door opens wide now for US partners, which the US is one of the top crypto adopting countries in the world. That's a huge opportunity for growth and demand of the XRP token itself. Not only that, but this number starts to increase as you see institutional interest in what XRP and Ripple are doing. So again, the big partnerships is an actual use case. Institutional investors love actual use case. So now you may see this $300 billion market cap, which isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that. This is just my thoughts on who's going to finish out the top 10 by the end of this market cycle. That's where you might start to see this climb to 500 billion, 700 billion, maybe even higher still. And maybe these numbers here that you're seeing in terms of XRP end up going a little bit higher, right? We talked about these possible late market projections where XRP may end up somewhere around $10, maybe $12, something like that. Nobody knows for sure because this is a big unknown cycle in terms of XRP. We got stifled in terms of our overall growth last market cycle, right? Like if we look at the weekly charts, we've been in this downtrend since 2 cycles ago. And the reason why is we were stifled by the SEC back in 2020 is when they started their lawsuit that obviously led to a lower high in terms of the overall growth of XRP. That is something that I believe is going to change in this market cycle. You may see us somewhere up here in no man's land. All right. So in reality, in order to make $1 million, you may only have had to get, you know, what 50,000 shares of XRP? No, that's not right. My math is wrong. 100,000 XRP tokens. This market cycle would be my honest projection if these things play out. But again, XRP is one of those coins where you can see it move very quickly. There's a lot of people right now that are not willing to sell their XRP as well. There's a lot of unknowns at this time. And I think that we're going to have a lot better indication of where XRP is headed by the time we get to March. March, historically speaking, is the time where you should see our local high before we kind of correct and come back down for just a little bit. For example, you guys can see that right around that time, March through May, is when XRP actually topped out in 2021 and did not set a new all-time high or even a higher cycle high in November of 2021, along with everybody else. If we can break this downtrend by the time we get to March of this next year, by the time we get to March of 2025, and especially if we're somewhere up here around $2 or so by that time, don't be surprised if that last wave of this leg, that last wave of, our 5 wave, is a big one for XRP price. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how much you think it will take to make a millionaire in terms of XRP in this cycle. I appreciate you guys as always. Have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.